Do you play Devil May Cry Peak of Combat? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited resources. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super insane, guys. It's a fully updated method, and it is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super insane, guys. It actually works pretty well for iOS and Android devices. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. As you can see, I'm super rich in the game, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So let's get right into the video. So what we need to do is go to this website called hexmods.com. Once we're there, we're going to go to the search bar and type in Devil May Cry. As you can see, it comes up, and we're going to press on it and then press the download button, right? So just wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. I've already installed this, so I'm not going through with the download again, but let's go to the App Store and see how much this game is, because I know it ain't cheap. We'll do Devil May Cry, and as you can see, guys, here's the game, and we go to in-app purchases. What the hell, bro? Oh my god, nah. So yeah, I'm not paying for stuff, that's just not my vibe. But with this method, guys, you can get everything for free. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool. I hope you guys have fun with the method because, I mean, I'm on the hunt for this stuff. And this is the only website I found where you can actually get a working modded version of the Devil May Cry game. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, this is super awesome, guys. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And I mean, it fully works and everything, so there's nothing not to like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super cool, guys, as you can see right here. So yeah, this is pretty crazy. Devil May Cry modded version, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm trying to make like 10 videos a year for you guys. So be sure to comment below what you want to see. But yeah, that's the website for you guys. So I'll see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Get the word out. Peace out, gang.